One. Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Cancer. I'm Julia Mijas, and with me today is
Jamie Kale Miller. Hi, Cancer. Julie's going to tell you stuff about career.
Oh, yes, Cancer. And I've got some good news for you about career this month. So, career is ruled by Aries for you because that's up in the sky in your 10th house. Now, Mars, the sign of Aries, is actually going to be very, very strong for you this month because it's in Scorpio, one of its old rulerships, and it's also in the 5th house. So, this is going to be just a very good career month where you actually might be having some fun at your job. You know, the 5th house is a fun house. It's also a very creative house, and we've got a lot of planetary activity, not just a very strong Mars in here, but many other things going on. So if you do anything creative at your job, or you just know how to have a little bit of fun at work, I think you can get a lot of stuff done here, which is really great. We're also going to be having a new moon in your 5th house mid-month, and that means you're going to also just be starting off a new cycle in all things 5th house, which could relate, like I said, a bit to your career because of Mars in here, as well as anything that you do for creativity or also involving your children. I know Jamie's got some things to tell you about relationships and finance too.
Yeah, that 5th house being so full of Scorpio placements with the sun there, and the sun loves to be there, and the very happy Mars in Scorpio that Julia mentioned. This is really going to make you pretty charismatic. You know, Cancer, I know you don't really like going out, but this could be the month to do it. Or invite a small, intimate group of friends over to your own place where maybe you're more comfortable hosting, and ask them to bring somebody who might find you attractive, because this 5th house is really quite charismatic for you, and this is a house of dating. It's a house of fun and entertainment, and it could be a really good time for just starting something that's light and fun and breezy. Now I wanted to speak to finance as well. We have Ceres traveling along through also your 5th house and in the sign of Scorpio. And Ceres is uncomfortable in both of those places. Ceres doesn't like being in Scorpio. It's the sign opposite to the one that she rules. And so Ceres in Scorpio spends way too much time thinking about, should I share my money? I don't really want to share my money, but I should share my money. Oh my God. And then Ceres in the 5th house can get kind of impulsively spendy. So you have to watch out for that. Like, don't go out and buy that big ticket item for your partner just because you want to get on their good side. So watch out for that spendiness there in the first 2/3 of the month. And then when Ceres moves into the 6th house is a much better time for like sitting down at your desk, organizing your bills, checking off all those transactions that have happened at the bank this month, and really getting your accounts back into some kind of order. And this is a much better time also for attending to your health as well when Ceres enters the 6th house later on in this month, because Ceres likes the rhythms and routines of daily life that will enable you to take care of yourself. And the 6th house is a house of health as well as a house of work and creating order. So I think that the end of the month is going to turn out pretty well for you this month, Cancer. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this horoscope, please do like it, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends all about us.
And you can find us at our website, pandoraastrology.com, to get a reading with one of us, and also find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.